Your boyfriend?
Letty's like, I can't save you. I can't swim.
Planned out her whole wedding already, which I think is hilarious.
I didn't win once. I don't understand. Good morning, guys. Guess who I'm with? Where are you? Where'd you go? I haven't seen them in like 2 years, so it's been a while.
It's been a long time.
I know. How crazy though? But right now we're at Huntington Beach. We're at a plaza called Pacific City, which I've actually never been to, and I live down here. So it's actually pretty cool. We're just exploring. I think we're gonna be eating at, I think it's called Simsies? Yeah, something like that. It has like burgers, tacos, and other stuff. And then we're just walking around exploring the little plaza. We went to this place called, what's it called? Lot 579, I think. And it's kind of like the Anaheim Packing District, and where it has a bunch of like stations and like different places you can eat. And yeah, I think we're gonna eat at the Simsies restaurant though, because we already put in our name and everything. But yeah, they kind of eat breakfast, so they're not gonna eat as much. I haven't really ate yet, so. We also went into Lush, and it smelled so good. Hi guys, how have you guys been?
Good.
I was telling them I love their outfits. So cute. We made it. Here's the menu. So we just ordered. I got the Simmy's burger, which is just like a normal burger. And then she got poutine carne asada fries, which sound amazing. You know, poutine's actually really famous in Canada.
Oh, I've heard of that.
Yeah, it's like gravy. I think it's gravy and what, some type of cheese, right? And it's in there. Yeah, it's really popular. Yeah, El Poutine carne asada. That sounds good. And then she got chilaquiles. Dora got chilaquiles. Sounds good too. But super cute here. It was like a 30-minute wait, so it wasn't too bad.
Dessert places.
Oh yeah, we're looking for dessert places. So she's having a sweet tooth moment. But look at this view. We're having lunch by the ocean, so it's pretty cute. Our food just came out. Looks so good. We were just catching up a little bit. We were talking about like high school. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. We're at Han's Homemade Ice Cream. We just got some ice cream. What did you get?
I got half taro tea and half raspberry cheesecake and a cookie sandwich.
Ooh. And then what'd you get?
Double dark chocolate.
Yum. And then I got raspberry cheesecake, I believe. Yeah. Black raspberry cheesecake. And then the bottom, which I did like a split cup, I did coffee Oreo ice cream. But it's super cute in here. We just got dessert because we ate already. And then now we're gonna walk back to the beach to hang out at the beach for a little bit. So it should be lots of fun. Excited for our ice cream. You've been having a sweet tooth. Are you excited?
Yes.
She also got the cookie ice cream with chocolate chip cookies. So I think we can go down here, right? Yeah, we can walk down. How is it, Letty?
It's really good.
Is it too sweet or is it pretty good? Because you know how sometimes when it's double something, it's too sweet?
It's actually really good. And it has chocolate chips in it.
Yeah. What about you?
Good.
We made it to the beach. We're just hanging out. We're chit-chatting and catching up on life. Look at the view behind us, guys. So cute. But yeah, we're just chilling. It's actually kind of hot, but it's not too bad. Not unbearable hot. It's actually not that crowded, which I love. Oh, the water's cold. Oh, it's cold. Oh, this is a big wave. Hello. There's Letty. There's Dora. I should have brought sunblock, guys. I definitely am gonna get burnt.
Hello.
Are you British?
I am. Hello, mate.
Now you're Australian?
I am.
You're Australian now?
Yes.
What other accents do you have?
All right, baby.
What accent is that?
The part is my Jack Sparrow.
Alright, if you need any acting, please contact Dora. She's free, available. her to go that high, and now her pants are wet. Is it cold?
They kind of look ombre though. They're kind of sandy. Oh no.
Just roll them up, it's fine.
No, I want to let them dry. Whatever. Water. Why did I do that?
Did you say it was like ice water?
It is. And it came so fast.
Me and Dora are back here, and Letty is literally in the water completely. Me and Dora are steady. It's actually really cold, guys. It's freezing. My feet went numb first. We were just about to take a picture, and Dora's like, if it pulls her in, that we have to save her.
Yeah.
And Letty's like, I can't save you. I can't swim. And then I told her, I'm like, I can't swim either. And Dora can't swim either. We're all screwed. We're all screwed if one of us goes in. Everyone, doggy paddle towards shore.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I just died. I told them all, like, let's put our first names. I was like LML, and I was thinking of Dora's last name, and I meant LDL, like the cholesterol. Okay, now I'm gonna write our names now, or Letty's gonna do it.
You rushed away.
Go fast, Letty. Go fast. Cute. Why was I thinking of M? Dora's like, let's walk together. She's like, you're running when the water's not even coming towards us yet.
That's a big wave.
Oh my You got all wet. You have to come closer. Come closer.
Scared.
She literally ran like someone was chasing her.
Ew, the water looks kind of gross.
We're currently playing Uno.
Red?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
I'm gonna reverse, and then I'm gonna skip.
You can't do both.
Yeah, because reverse it goes back.
Guys, I just won.
I don't like it.
She's a sore loser.
You cheated.
And she cheated. Letty, did you see how she cheated?
Still want to play Dora?
Sure. Whatever.
Why are you a sore loser? Okay, current score is I have won 1, Letty has won 1, and Dora has got 0. As you can see, she's a sore loser. The camera's this way. Oh, hey, calm down, child.
Sad.
Who's shuffling? Not it.
Not it.
I shuffled last time.
Letty shuffle.
It's your turn. It's
You don't
your
want me to
turn.
cheat. If I shuffle, I'm gonna cheat. You trust me shuffling? No, you don't.
That's how she gets out of it? No. You need to shuffle. We all took turns shuffling.
I'm gonna cheat. Okay. Who's messaging me? I'm
Your
so
boyfriend?
popular.
Your boyfriend? Tell your boyfriend I said hi.
I don't have a boyfriend.
But it is.
She would hang out with her boyfriend.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, I think I know her.
Dora doesn't remember half the people from high school.
I didn't go to high school.
She went to high school because that's how she met us. The light of her life. Future Dora, if you change this, I'm gonna cry. She said we were her future bridesmaids. Is that correct?
What?
Say it on camera.
Say what?
That we are her future bridesmaids. Huh?
Yeah, whatever.
Wow, she's still salty from Uno. Future Dora, you did say that me and Letty were gonna be your bridesmaids. Letty, you are witness.
Yes, I am.
That's sad.
She planned out her whole wedding already, which I think is hilarious. What did you say your colors were gonna be?
Like
You're missing them right there.
and like a forest green.
A forest green and a Tiffany blue.
Maybe like a mustard yellow.
Ew,
not yellow.
I
what?
like yellow, like a daisy.
A mustard yellow though?
Yes, that's a
It
color.
should be like a light. Hey guys, so we currently packed everything up and we're about to leave. We're getting in the middle of people right here. Let's not get run over. But yeah, right now we
All falling over.
right now we just packed up everything and we're headed back out and we're gonna go eat. So we're leaving now. But look, sunset. But yeah, right now we're gonna go eat. I think we're eating at BJ's, right?
Yeah.
And then they're gonna drive back home so that it's not too dark when they leave. Hi guys. Fun trip?
Yeah.
Yes.
We played Uno and we were laughing. I feel like that game never gets old.
I didn't win once. I don't understand.
She's so salty.
I am because I like to win.
We're currently at BJ's. We ordered the deep dish chicken bacon ranch pizza. And then you got, what did you get?
The ziti.
Yeah. Here's the pizza.